I used to think I knew everything about my dog, until the day she changed. She was no longer the happy, tail-wagging bundle of joy I raised. Her behavior, appetite, even her eyes, everything was different. This is the story of how I discovered the truth about hormonal changes in female dogs, and how it changed both our lives forever. If you're a female dog owner, please don't make the same mistakes I did. Period. Meet Bella. Bella came into my life when she was just 3 months old, a golden retriever with big, playful eyes and the softest fur. She was full of energy, always playing, always affectionate. Life was perfect. But things started to shift when she turned about 6 months old. It wasn't anything drastic at first, just little things. The first sign, one day, I noticed Bella became more distant. She didn't want to play. She was constantly licking herself and leaving tiny blood spots on her bed. I panicked at first. Was she hurt? Was it an infection? That's when my vet gently smiled and said, "She's going through her first heat cycle." Heat cycle, estrus, starts at 6 to 12 months, varies by breed, happens every 6 months, lasts about 2 to 3 weeks. I wasn't prepared for the emotional changes. Bella became moody, almost depressed. Some days she'd want to cuddle, other days she'd growl if I touched her belly. I learned that during hormonal shifts, dogs can feel everything from confusion to physical discomfort. Hormonal symptoms I noticed: appetite changes, refusing food or overeating, swollen vulva and light bleeding, restlessness, whining or hiding, mounting other dogs, toys, or even furniture, sudden aggression toward male dogs. But nothing shocked me more than what happened after her second heat cycle. Bella started nesting, carrying her toys like they were puppies. She was producing milk, but she wasn't even pregnant. I was heartbroken and confused. It's called false pregnancy or pseudopregnancy. Happens when hormone levels drop quickly after heat. Common in unspayed female dogs. Usually harmless, but emotionally distressing. What I did: gave her extra comfort, limited stimulation. No scolding, just calm support. Monitored for infection, mastitis risk. After 2 full heat cycles and another false pregnancy, I knew I had to make a decision. My vet sat me down and we talked about spaying, removing the ovaries and uterus to stop future hormonal cycles. I hesitated. Would she lose her personality? Gain weight? But I learned benefits of spaying, especially before first or second heat. 90% less chance of mammary tumors, breast cancer. Prevents uterine infections, pyometra. No more heat cycles or mood swings. Reduces roaming and aggressive behavior. Bella was spayed at 1.5 years. The recovery was about 10 days, and she was back to chasing butterflies in no time. If you're a female dog owner, here's what you must know. Track her heat cycles. Mark them on your calendar. Watch for mood changes. Be patient. Offer comfort. Limit contact with male dogs during heat. False pregnancy? Avoid stimulating the nipples. Consider spaying. Talk to your vet about best timing. Nutrition matters. Balanced diet supports hormone balance. Never ignore unusual swelling, bleeding, or aggression. Today, Bella is 5 years old. She's calm, happy, and healthy. I look back and realize I almost missed the signs. But once I understood her hormones, I could finally understand. I look back and realize I almost missed the signs. But once I understood her hormones, I could finally understand her. To every dog mom out there, don't ignore the changes. Learn to listen. Your dog might not have words, but her hormones are always speaking. Like, comment, and subscribe for real stories that can change a dog's life. Tell me, what's one thing your dog taught you that no one else did?